Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Donc dans les épisodes précédents, nous avions endigué une attaque sur Hikmet. Et là donc, nous sommes à San Mathéus pour endiguer donc cette attaque qui je pense est la dernière avant la quête finale. Vu que il nous reste plus rien. Hormis bien sûr le feu de camp qui je pense qu'on débloquera avec justement cette quête. Donc on doit aller voir le gouverneur de San Mathéus. On y va tout de suite. Donc le gouverneur est juste là. C'est la mère cardinale.
Lady de Sade, seeing you is a genuine relief.
Your emissary informed us that you were in need of our help.
Indeed. She must have told you that we were being attacked. We are sustaining the relentless assaults of furious animals, which some people believe to be sent by the
Ouais,
demons
comme
of
à
the
Hikmet.
island.
Some people. So you're not certain that's the case?
We were mistaken when we thought them responsible for the Malikor. I became more cautious. But no matter where these attacks come from, our men are becoming exhausted. One of our outposts to the east has sent us a distress message. They won't hold much longer. I beg you, you must go to their aid. Maybe they can help you find out where these beasts come from.
I will go there to meet them. I hope to make it in time.
I am infinitely grateful, Your Excellency. You have proved your efficiency many times already. I am certain you will put an end to this.
I must leave you.
Naturally, Your Excellency.
Donc très bien. Donc on doit aller à l'avant-poste. On va déjà sortir du bâtiment. Donc je suppose que c'est l'avant-poste juste à côté. Très bien. Ah, nous avons un feu de camp. Donc c'est à peu près la même chose que à Hikmet. On doit aller voir l'avant-poste, éliminer les monstres et aller tuer un gardien. Je pense que c'est exactement la même chose. Donc on se retrouve à l'avant-poste. Donc nous sommes à l'avant-poste. On va parler donc au lieutenant.
You shouldn't stay here. We're sustaining terrible attacks. The animals appear to be crazy. They already killed several of my soldiers.
We're here to help you.
Are you the backup? We were starting to lose hope. I must admit I was praying for more soldiers, but any help is welcome. We're under attack every night, and we've already lost a lot of men. At this rate, we won't survive another night.
Don't worry. We'll do everything in our power to make sure that you do.
You still have some time to prepare, before these beasts attack again.
Passer le temps jusqu'à la nuit.
All right. Let's wait.
Ready, weapons? There they are!
C'est parti!
Bit of poison on my blade. And let's go!
Ah putain mais il y en a encore!
My blade. And let's take a potion if you want to cast more spells. to get dicey. Move away. Things are about to get dicey.
Pas facile quand il n'y a pas beaucoup de... Quand il n'y a pas beaucoup de place.
You're running out of energy. Drink a potion. A bit of poison on my blade.
Oh, ils sont chelous. Hein.
Take a potion if you want to cast more spell. Move away. Things are about to get dicey.
Je vous encourage les gars.
We have succeeded.
Ok, on a réussi.
Bravo, soldiers.
On va quand même looter.
We have resisted.
Hein?
Thank you, Excellency.
Je sais très bien que ça me servira pas à grand chose, mais on sait jamais. Je pense qu'on va nous demander de retrouver les traces pour savoir d'où ils viennent.
Thanks for your help. You are an extraordinary
Ouais, mais
fighter.
vous auriez pu m'aider au moins.
If it weren't for you,
De crevard.
the outpost would have undoubtedly fallen tonight.
If these attacks are always this violent, even with our support, it won't hold much longer. We must uncover the origin of these attacks.
I've thought about it, and I sent a few men 2 days ago in the hope that they would find out where the attacks came from. And first and foremost, why they are attacking. But I haven't heard from them since. I'm afraid I might have sent them to their death.
Could you at least tell me which way they went? I might be able to track them.
They followed a trail going north of a place the natives call the Woods of Lightning.
Thank you, officer. I will do everything in my power to find them. Until then, try to hold on.
You be careful. Goodbye.
Donc on nous demande de voyager. On a le feu de camp juste à côté. On va voir où ça va être. Les terres noires. J'aurais préféré ici. C'est là où il me manque un feu de camp. « 246 mètres. Sans déconner. Faut aller là. Ah, peut-être on va nous demander de repartir aussi. D'accord. Très très bien. Allons-y. Passer par là. Hein. Il y a beaucoup de loot là ici. C'est que des récoltes. Ouais bon. C'est de ce côté. Et on n'est pas allé ici donc. Ah, il me semble que c'était barré. On pouvait pas passer. Je crois que c'est cet arbre, il était en plein milieu. Oh, je m'en souviens plus. On va défoncer quelques mobs. Voilà, c'est du vite fait.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Allez, regroupez-vous. Non mais laissez-moi vous taper au moins. En fait, ils s'en foutent complètement de mes attaques.
Take a potion if you want to cast more spells.
Arrivé à ce stade, les étourdir c'est pas top. Ils s'en foutent complètement. Donc c'est ici qu'ils ont campé. On va aller prendre le coffre déjà.
This man will die if we don't do something about it.
Utiliser la clé, on n'a pas la clé. On va d'abord parler à l'éclaireur blessé. Lui donner une potion de soin, bien évidemment.
What happened? You saved me. Thank you. I'd be dead if it weren't for you.
Your officer sent us. He told us that you were looking for the origin of these attacks.
And we found it. We followed the beast's trail and it led us to a large glade east of here. You'll find raised stones there. The ones which are worshipped by the islanders. There was a creature there. A beast so large and so ferocious. I've never seen anything like it. That's what must have been attracting the animals. We wanted to kill it, but it prevailed. All my comrades fell in battle against it. I fled. I had to inform the lieutenant.
And you were right. Don't worry. We'll take care of it now.
We took some notes and we drew a map as we progressed. It may be of use to you. Everything is in that chest
Ah
over
bah on a
there.
bien fait d'attendre.
Here, take the key.
Allons défoncer le gardien. Donc c'est bien à Zuevar. Ou Guevar. Vous m'avez compris. Et c'est bien à l'endroit où il y a le dernier feu de camp. C'est parfait ça. Oh, ils sont bien regroupés là-bas. Bon, on retente la fameuse technique. Bon, ça nettoie quand même pas mal. Ça nettoie quand même pas mal. Pour les dégâts que je me prends, je veux dire, ça vaut largement le coup. Donc, le feu de camp est où? Ah, il est un petit peu plus loin. Ah bah il est juste là. Descendre. C'est parfait. On va bien évidemment finir d'abord cette quête avant d'aller voir Monsieur de Coursillon. Et voilà la bête. Oh, c'est une harpie?
Poison on my blade. Then let's go. Let's see if you can ward off this fate. Move away. Things are about to get dicey. Take a
j'aime pas les mobs qui font ça. Eh non, il y a une pierre. Ah, petit salopio. Petite popo. Ah, il fait comme moi. Le petit con. Oh, j'étais derrière. Comment il ment le jeu? Comment il ment là? Allez. Et voilà. Oh, je casse les pierres et tout en plus.
This creature looks a lot like the one who was attacking Hikmet, and seems to be afflicted by the same disease. I'm certain that a human is behind this epidemic.
Lame à deux mains.
These creatures wouldn't attack in such a
Avec un
coordinated
cristal de
manner
mémoire.
if someone wasn't leading them.
Pas mal. En fait, j'ai même pas lu ce qu'elle était en train de me dire. C'est pas grave. Je regarderai à la rediff. Mais avant ça, on va aller voir deux coursillons. Comme ça, nous aurons terminé vraiment toutes les quêtes. Voilà, on est arrivé. On va valider donc la dernière quête annexe qu'on a pu avoir.
Sir de Corsilion.
Decidez, my young student, what can I do for you?
Parler des campements.
The mission you entrusted me with has made great progress.
Very well, let's see. Oh, this is remarkable work. You explored the entire surface of the island. Well, almost. Congratulations. Thanks to you, our merchants and explorers will be able to reach the heart of this island safely.
Sans risque, c'est un grand mot. Hein.
Surely be very grateful for this. I know I am. Can your old professor still prove himself useful?
Looking forward to seeing you again, Sir de Corsilion.
Bah c'est parfait ça. Donc il nous reste plus qu'une quête. Donc on a fait le carto, on a fait le professeur. Donc vu qu'on a découvert toutes les régions et qu'on a donc éliminé les deux menaces des deux grandes villes en dehors de la nôtre, bien évidemment. Bon, nous c'est plus un village qu'une ville au final. Hein. Eux c'est une vraie ville. Oh quoique, elle est pas trop mal la nôtre aussi. Allez, elle est pas trop mal. Allez, on va valider cette quête là. Donc du coup, cette quête là, si on nous la valide maintenant, elle aurait été beaucoup plus courte que celle de Hikmet au final. On s'approche vraiment de la fin. Hein.
Your Eminence, I salute you.
Lady de Sardet, what can I do for you?
Parler des attaques sur la ville.
You are back. I hear there are no more attacks. Once again, your help was a blessing. Did our troops survive?
There were some losses, but the outpost is still standing. And it is thanks to them that I was able to follow the creature's trail. The officer sent out a small party, hoping that they would be able to solve the problem.
Now that's a resourceful man. Did his initiative bear fruit?
His men died, alas. But following their tracks led me to the creature who was leading the animals. It resembled a Nardaig Menaemon, a mountain guardian. But it seemed like it was sick. Its skin was covered in stains and ulcers. And its behavior was different from the other guardians I've met.
Where could it have come from? And why did it send all these beasts after us?
I don't know. But someone must be behind all this. These attacks are too coordinated and too complex to be the work of some creatures.
You are a woman of great ingenuity. I have no doubt that you will solve this mystery. At any rate, I am extremely grateful for the help you have given us.
You're welcome.
Anything else?
I must leave you.
Naturally, Your Excellency.
Amical sur Télème. Ouais, on est pas mal. On est pas mal, vraiment. Donc du coup, faut aller parler à Constantin. Mais je le soupçonne qu'il soit à l'origine de ces attaques. Hein. C'est depuis qu'en fait il s'est lié à la Terre et vu qu'il était malade, donc ça l'a soigné, mais est-ce qu'il n'a pas rendu malade la Terre du coup? Et les gardiens viennent de la Terre. Je pense que ça doit être ça malheureusement. Alors est-ce qu'on peut le soigner ou est-ce qu'il va falloir le combattre? Ça c'est la grande question. Mais à mon avis ça vient de là. Bon bah du coup on se rejoint chez Constantin. On va voir ce qu'il va nous raconter. Ah, il a vraiment une sale gueule. Hein. Je sais pas s'il s'est vu dans un miroir depuis la dernière fois.
Constantine.
My adorable cousin, I am always happy to see you. What news do you bring?
Parler des attaques subies par les alliés.
We managed to solve the problem of the attacks on San Mateus.
Really? So, what was causing them?
The city and its outposts were being continuously attacked by animals. These beasts were led by a large creature that strangely resembled a mountain guardian.
This is the same creature which High King Vinbar turned into, isn't it?
Exactly. Except it looked sick and it didn't act like the High King did. It was calling the animals around it, and it seemed like it was transferring its disease to them before making them attack. I've never seen anything like it. And there's more. Hikmet was in a similar situation, do you remember?
Of course. Don't tell me that a Guardian was involved there as well.
Yes. The governor was convinced that the attacks were led by the islanders, and yet they were being attacked as well. And it was by their side that I fought the creature. That time it was a Nardaig Glenderman, a beach guardian. But it seemed just as sick. And it was also manipulating the animals to make them aggressive.
So, it would be some kind of epidemic affecting the Guardians. I don't see what we can do about it. Actually, I think you have already done what had to be done, by eliminating those that were threatening our neighbors.
Perhaps. But I am certain that there is more to it than a simple epidemic. These beasts attack in a coordinated fashion, which requires an intelligence that they don't have.
You're exaggerating, fair cousin. The attacks you thought were coordinated may just have been coincidental.
You may be right. But I can't help thinking that someone is behind all this.
Do you really believe that a Denegad would want to take over the island? Cousin, you know how much I respect you, but frankly, this doesn't seem very coherent. But I see it's already quite late. If you'll excuse me, fair cousin. Regrettably, I must leave you.
Where are you going?
Not very far, rest assured. But I have a small personal matter to take care of, you see. Don't be concerned. There's absolutely no risk. Use the opportunity to take some rest. You've really performed miracles recently. See you later.
But why would he leave like that? Guard, do you know where my cousin is going?
Sorry, Your Excellency. His Highness didn't tell me anything.
You are one of his bodyguards, aren't you?
I am, Your Excellency. But recently it has been difficult to force His Highness to accept our presence.
Recently? You mean this isn't the first time he's left without an escort?
I'm sorry, Your Excellency,
You'd better tell me everything.
but Fine. I don't mean to be disrespectful towards him. But His Highness's behavior has been very peculiar recently. He sleeps very little, and goes out alone almost every night.
And it didn't occur to anyone that I should be informed.
Well, His Highness had specifically ordered us not to tell you about it.
And where does he go? I thought the days when he used to go from tavern to tavern were over.
He doesn't go to taverns, Your Excellency. From what I know, he goes outside the city.
Where could he go outside the city?
I've no idea. We saw him going north. That's all I know.
Le menacer pour en être sûr. Non, bah non, on va pas le menacer, le pauvre, il a rien fait.
Listen. I know this matter is
J'espère qu'on va
putting you in
réussir.
a difficult situation. You were supposed to protect my cousin wherever he went. But he refused and ordered you to keep your mouth shut. But Constantine is not just my governor. He's my cousin. I'm worried about him. He's already been abducted once when leaving the city. So if you know anything else...
I don't really know
Ah, j'ai
where he's
réussi.
going, Your Excellency. But I think I know where you could find out. When he doesn't leave the palace, he stays in his office for hours. He writes so much down in there that he could fill entire books. Here, I have the key. Take it. I hope you find His Highness and manage to make him see reason.
I don't like this at all. What could he be doing outside every night?
Normally I would have said getting drunk at the tavern, but clearly that isn't the case.
I'm starting to believe that the revelations of Anon Millefrictamen had some truth to them. Let's rummage through his papers. We may find a clue.
Ah ben on va fouiller des papiers. Apparemment c'est ici. Ah ouais, c'est un pavé, hein. Ouais, il est en train de nous dire qu'en fait c'est lui, hein. Ah, il va se débarrasser des natifs. Allez, on fonce voir les natifs, les gens. Espérons qu'on arrive à temps. Nous sommes juste à côté. Ah, ils subissent une attaque. On va essayer de les aider le plus rapidement possible.
Poison on my blade.
Move away! Things are about to get dicey!
Take a potion if you want to cast more spells. You're running out of energy. Drink a potion.
On
May
est
the
arrivé à temps.
trees on your road always bear fruit.
Thanks. You saved us. These beasts would have torn us to shreds.
These animals were strange, as if they were enraged. Thanks again, Renaigse.
I'm glad I could help you. And perhaps you can do me a favor in return. I'm looking for a young man, a Renaigse. But he looks a bit like an Onol Manawi.
Someone like you?
In some ways. But his marks are different. Darker.
She's talking about the crazy Donegad.
Indeed, that might be him. Do you know where to find him?
No, we see him passing by around nightfall, but we don't know where he's going.
He walks along the path, often followed by some beasts.
He has a sinister look in his eyes. He scares me. So we stay hidden.
And you do well to hide. I think he's the one who sent these animals to attack you. Do you have any idea how I could figure out where he's going?
She could hide in the old house. She would see him passing by and could follow, couldn't she?
You're right. If you take this path to the right, you'll reach an abandoned house. You can hide there. And from up there you will be able to see the path perfectly.
Thank you. You've been a great help. And stay hidden. You may still be in danger.
Be prudent on Ol Manawi.
Leur demander pourquoi ils vivent là.
You're very isolated here. Why live so far from a village?
It's a long story. Matir, will you tell him?
When I was young, I got engaged to a young man. But he wasn't my Minundanem. I thought he was, but I was wrong. And one day, I met the one I would love for all my life. As I had broken my engagement, we were exiled.
So, our parents came to settle here. They built this house, and we were born.
There. Now you know the whole story.
Ah, ça va, c'était
Do
pas
you
une
want
longue
to know
histoire.
anything else?
Le mec, il exagère toujours.
I'll leave you alone.
Qua awalem seg.
Donc du coup, on nous demande d'aller là-bas. D'accord, on nous demande de se cacher pour attendre Constantin. Je pense qu'il va falloir le suivre. Mais il va nous voir, c'est sûr ça. C'est ici au moins. Ouais, je pense que ça nous permettra de monter. Ouais, juste là. Parfait.
We can't be seen from the path. Let's wait here to see where Constantine goes.
Attendre Constantin.
I see him. And he's not alone.
Et où tu le vois? Ah oui, il est là. D'accord, lui il se fait pas attaquer. Alors, en même temps, on sait que c'est lui qui les invoque. Hein. On va suivre Constantin. Nous, naturellement, on va se faire attaquer dans tous les côtés. On va passer par le même chemin.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go! Take a potion.
Ça va. On va le suivre. Là, on ne pouvait pas passer.
We do well to follow him.
Je me souviens, c'était bloqué. Ah, quoique. Non, on a dû passer puisque c'est tout on a tout découvert ici. Ah non, j'étais passé par là. Ça, c'est le dernier feu de camp qu'on a visité. D'accord. Et en fait, il va en direction du dernier gardien qu'on a buté. Ah, qu'il ressuscite pas. Ça serait la loose quand même. On a que ce chemin. Hein. Petite cinématique sûrement. Je suis sûr qu'il va le raise. Oula, c'est de pire en pire.
Constantine, what are you doing?
Cousin, you're here. I would have preferred that you learn all of this another way.
to be able to reveal everything to you in better circumstances. But whatever power we earn, there are some things that escape us.
I have no idea what you are talking about. But what are you doing here?
I seem monstrous to you. I am well aware of that. But I promise to explain everything when the moment is right. Then you will understand. You will see. The temptation is so great to share all with you right now. You have done so much for me. You have given me so much. I haven't forgotten, believe me. But I still have more to do. Forgive me and have patience. Hold them back. But do not kill her for anything in the world.
Oh, il sait pas à qui il s'adresse, lui.
Constantine, come back and explain yourself.
The big guy taught this spoiled brat how to wield a weapon. And now he's throwing beasts at us.
He's gone mad. It's the only explanation.
Let's see if you can ward off this feint! Move away! Things are about to get dicey! Let's see if you can ward off this feint!
Oh.
Move away! Things are about to get dicey! Let's see if you can ward off this feint! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells!
Oh, c'est pas vrai, c'est pas vrai.
You're running out of energy! Drink a potion! Move away! Things are about to get dicey! Move away! Things are about to get dicey! Let's see if you can ward off this feint! Let's see if you can ward off this feint! Take a potion if you want to cast more spells! Move
Allez.
away! Things are about to get dicey! You're running out of energy! Drink a potion! Let's see if you can ward off this feint!
Bon. Bon, faut juste un petit peu de patience. On est bon au niveau des patterns. Hein.
Help me. You
Ah.
saw him do it, didn't you? You saw him draw from me, steal my children, my guardians, pervert my force.
Yes, but I don't understand.
What he wants: eternity, strength, power. It is what they all want. Those who take without looking beyond themselves. Like all those from the faraway lands.
He wasn't like that. He couldn't care less about all that.
Plus maintenant.
Then it is the sickness, the brevity of his existence that terrified him to the point it changed who he is. You must stop him. Each time that he bonds, he destroys me a little more. And with me, the hope for a cure. And now it's my heart, my most sacred sanctuary that he covets. You must kill him.
That is madness.
The consequence of his folly, yes. Believe me, there is no other solution. Stop him, flesh of my earth, or there will be nothing left to save.
I still can't believe this.
I understand.
you were raised with him. He is no doubt your closest relative, your best friend. But he has paled completely. And I would like that we do not run aground with him.
We must learn more if we want to understand his plans and prepare against them. This hiding place he was talking about in his notes. We must find it.
If in his folly he remembered just a small bit of what I taught him, then he shall warn his guard to be ready for us. We will need to be discreet and find ourselves allies.
You're thinking of all the creatures that he has perverted. A veritable army.
Precisely. And against an army we will need soldiers. The natives will follow you because their god has ordered it.
We might also be able to count on help from the Nords. We'll need to speak to their admiral. We should also be able to count on Sieglinde. Her troops will be all the more welcome. And of course, we can also go and find the Mother Cardinal, as well as Governor Buren. What an absurd project. On the continent, they would brand us insane. But not here, on an island where everything is possible. And all folly is accepted. Let's go. We need to put an end to all of this.
Congrès marchande hostile. Et ouais, du coup. Ah la vache. Quoi, non mais tout ça en quête? Ah non, c'est tous les objectifs. D'accord. Briser les liens, trouver la cachette de Constantin, mais il va falloir faire tout ça avant. Former une alliance. Donc, on va commencer peut-être par les natifs. Donc congrès marchande. Donc, on est méfiant. Malheureusement. J'espère qu'on arrivera à se débrouiller. Donc, on va chercher les grenades. Au niveau des attributs, on va se mettre de l'agilité. Et au niveau des talents, la grande question c'est quoi? Ouais, je sais pas, je vais attendre. Hein. J'ai cru voir un petit coffre là-bas. Oh! Agilité 5. C'est dommage ça. C'est dommage. C'est bien dommage. Le truc c'est que... Ah, attendez. Niveau des... Non, ça c'est les talents, c'est les attributs. Non, j'ai besoin de ça quand même. J'ai besoin de ça. Moi c'est niveau 40, 40, 41. On est vers la fin à mon avis. C'est mort. J'avais pas fouillé ça. Donc nous avons le feu de camp là-bas. On va voir où est-ce qu'il faut aller. Voyager, c'est ici. Très bien. On va convaincre les natifs. Donc, espérons que mon charisme suffira. Ah, après on est amical avec tout le monde, donc ça devrait aller. Ah, c'est le haut roi en plus. Ah, il nous doit une chandelle, une fière chandelle d'avoir été élu haut roi. Il va bien accepter.
What brings you here, Honor Manawi?
Plus c'est pour quand même leur dieu, donc lui demander de rejoindre l'alliance contre Constantin.
I came to ask for your help in stopping my cousin, Dunkas. Did you hear about the attacks of creatures led by strange guardians throughout the island?
Yes, Darren sent a messenger to tell me about it.
My cousin was sick, and to cure him, Katasak used the bonding ritual on him. But the power he received from it made him mad, and he started bonding himself in other places. He transformed his guardians each time, and used them to attack those he considers to be his rivals.
What you're telling me is terrifying. Katasak and Devosh'Tire should never have bonded him. Your cousin is breaking the balance. He's consuming and will only want to consume more.
Indeed. Anon Milfrichteman warned me that Constantine was now targeting the sanctuary at the heart of the island. I cannot fight him alone. I need allies. I intend to go and find the other factions and ask for their support. But I also need your people, because we must all stand together to stop the threat that is weighing on the island.
Your will to create an alliance between all the peoples on this island is wise and noble. And the call of Enomil Frichteman cannot remain unanswered. We will be by your side in the battle. I am not a fighter, but Deirdre will lead our warriors. And I would also like for you to take this weapon. I pray it will be useful in the fight that is coming.
Thank you, Dunkus.
Don't thank me. You managed to earn my people's trust. And you fight for a cause that affects us all. May the earth support each of your steps. And may the volcano give you its strength.
I must admit that I expected Dunkus to be more angered when he learned what Constantine had done.
It's true. He took it with a relaxed acceptance. It's probably an old sage thing.
That confirms it. I made the right choice. Tifredi couldn't have a better High King.
Ouais, on a bien choisi. Donc il nous a donné des armes. Je crois que c'est ça qu'il nous a donné. Oh la massue de préhistorique. Le tout c'est de savoir. Elle est moins bien. Ah mais c'est parce que je l'ai augmenté. On va prendre celle-là. Niveau du fusil. J'ai pas looté de pistolet légendaire assez cool. Après j'ai tout mis dans le coffre. Pour la bataille finale, faudra que je revoie un petit peu le stuff pour essayer de mieux les équiper. Donc du coup, convaincre les notes de participer. On se retrouve chez les notes. Donc, on va parler à l'amiral.
Desarde, what can I do for you?
Lui demander de rejoindre l'Alliance contre Constantin.
I have come to ask for your help, Admiral. My cousin has been plunged into madness, and he apparently wishes to conquer the whole island. He took control of many creatures by reenacting rituals he learned from the islanders. And now he uses them to attack the cities and villages of those he considers to be his rivals.
A difficult situation, admittedly, but one that does not concern us. Who's in charge of the island is none of our business, Desarde, and you know that.
It actually does concern you. If my cousin takes control of the island, soon there will be no ports where your ships can berth. He's not looking for political influence. He desires power. Absolute power.
I see. It's a decent argument. So what now?
We must stop him at all costs. And for that, I will need allies. I already have the support of other factions, but I was hoping I could count on the help of the Nords.
And you were wrong. We will not support someone who has repeatedly shown little respect for us.
Admiral, you should look past our old disputes. The fate of the island is at stake.
A fate that leaves us indifferent despite your claims. Who knows? We might even become richer. After all, the nations of the continent will pay us well to take back their cities.
I see. In that case, I will leave you, Admiral.
Oh mais quelle connasse! Non mais attendez. Il faut être amical, vous croyez? Et pas aimable. Oh mais la connasse! Oh j'y crois pas. La garde du denier. Carte du denier, on est aimable. Bon, on va vérifier à la carte du denier, on verra bien. C'est de ce côté. Allez, c'est parti.
Come closer, good people. Liqueur and wine from the continent. Oh, it's you, Arnold Friday. Come and see. Wait,
Donc ça doit être derrière cette porte. C'est bien cela.
Hello, Commander.
Lady Desarde, how can I be of service to you?
Pour lui proposer de rejoindre l'Alliance contre Constantin.
I have come to ask for your help.
I'm at your service, Your Excellency. What is it you want from me?
We need reinforcements to protect the sanctuary of the natives, north of the island.
Very well. I will send some troops there. But may I ask who or what they will be fighting?
Creatures in great numbers. And probably my cousin.
I beg your pardon?
As your men must have told you, he has changed a lot recently. Ever since he was cured of the Malachor and bonded to the island, he has become obsessed with power. He is now targeting the heart of the island. If he succeeds, we're all doomed.
I have indeed heard reports of the Governor's peculiar behavior. Since he is our employer, I asked my men to turn a blind eye. But thanks to your help, we avoided dishonor. I won't forget it. If you're telling me that we are in danger, and that we need to go to this sanctuary, we'll go.
Thank you, Commander.
Anything else?
Ah.
I have to go.
Donc
Goodbye.
malgré qu'on est
I
amical,
also have a lot to do.
aimable,
Until next time, Your Excellency.
malgré qu'on est aimable, elle a quand même accepté. Alors je comprends pas pourquoi l'autre n'a pas voulu du coup. Enfin bon. Les nôtres hein. Et les pirates. Donc on va essayer de voir l'alliance du pont. Dupont et Dupont. Donc on se rejoint directement là-bas. Allez. On est amical et non pas aimable avec eux. On a quand même sauvé leur ville. Hein. Donc j'espère qu'ils vont se montrer à la hauteur de ce qu'on a fait pour eux.
And to what do I owe this honor?
Lui proposer de rejoindre l'alliance contre Constantin.
I have come to solicit your help, and to propose we forge an alliance.
An alliance? Against whom?
You remember, no doubt, the attacks that fell upon Hikmet, but also San Mateus and against the natives.
Of course. You told me that different Guardians sent the beasts.
Precisely. And the Guardians were manipulated by someone. I discovered who it was. This revelation will not please you, but I have no choice but to tell you. It is Constantine.
Surely you jest. What is the meaning of this? Do you know how many men have died during these attacks?
Allow me to continue, I beg you. My cousin's sickness shook him to the core. Then there was a ritual and his capture, and Constantine has fallen to madness. He has been increasing these rituals in order to link himself to the island to gain power and manipulate its creatures. He is fighting a war against everyone. And it now appears that he wants to take control of Teofredi. He is preparing to attack the Volcano Sanctuary, and I need help to stop him. It is in the name of the congregation that I come to see you. Constantine betrayed us as well.
That's madness. It is complete madness. All of this superstitious nonsense. These absurd theories. I believed you sincere, Desarde. Which does not mean that I believe you now. But no matter. You are in need of men to stop your cousin who has already attacked us?
Precisely. I have already gathered support, but I need as many allies as possible.
Let us be clear. I don't believe for an instant that this story has a link to the island or whatever foolishness, but I do trust you. You have rendered us valuable services and have supported us. And since we cannot allow the crimes of your cousin to go unpunished, we will stand beside you.
Ah, c'est bon ça.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. You have improved our chances of success tenfold. I have to go. Look forward to seeing you again.
Farewell, my lady.
Oh, y a que les nôtres qui vont nous faire chier, hein. Putain de merde. Bon, du coup, on va aller voir si Télém veut bien participer. On se rejoint là-bas. Alors. J'espère que ça va aller là.
Your Eminence, I salute you.
Lady Desarde, what can I do for you?
Lui demander de s'allier contre Constantin.
Do you remember I thought someone must have been responsible for the attacks you sustained?
Yes, you thought that this guardian who sent us the animals couldn't have been acting alone.
And I was right, sadly.
You're hesitating. Are you afraid of my reaction?
Indeed. As the person responsible is none other than my cousin, Constantine.
Does this mean that the congregation has decided to wage war on us? And thanks to which obscure alliance has your cousin been able to manipulate these creatures?
Constantine acted alone, and he betrayed us as much as he betrayed you, believe me. As for the way he manipulated these creatures... Do you remember that my cousin was sick?
Absolutely. And it is said that his recovery was the result of a rather suspicious miracle. Are you telling me that your cousin has made a pact with the demons of this island?
Something like that. He was cured by a Donegad of the island who performed a bonding ritual. But the power he received from this made him thirsty for more, and he bonded himself to other places, thus gaining control over the Guardians who were protecting these sacred places.
But why attack us? Did his madness make him forget about our alliance?
His thirst for power is making him want to control the island entirely by himself. And I know that for this purpose he will soon attack the natives' main sanctuary on the volcano. I won't stand a chance against all the creatures he's taken control of, and I need some help. Others have already joined me, but we also need the support of Thélème. Having a common enemy should help us forget all the differences that have been opposing us.
The idea that we would protect the sanctuary from an insular demon is completely insane. But you have helped us several times, and I trust your judgment. You can count on our help. My men will fight by your side.
Ah.
Thank you, Your Eminence.
Ça c'est bien.
Thanks to your wisdom, we have a chance to prevail. I must leave you.
Naturally, Your Excellency.
Et y a que ces connards de notes. Ah, putain de merde. Ah, j'aurais dû révéler leur secret, hein, tant qu'à faire. Former une alliance. Et ouais. Ah, fait chier. J'aurais bien aimé tout avoir. Saleté. Donc du coup, on va informer... c'est Glendan, me semble. On se retrouve directement devant lui. Donc, on est arrivé. On va lui parler donc de la bataille à venir.
Hello, Glendan.
Birt Tirto Madon Olmenawi. What can I do for you?
L'informer de l'arrivée des alliés.
To tell you that men are going to come all the way to the sanctuary. Some Renaigse.
I thank you for coming to warn me in person. But our High King has already spoken to me. I am disgusted to welcome warriors of the faraway island. But the decision is not mine. And in truth, we do not have the choice, do we?
No. It is all of Tirfridi and Enon Milfrictiman that's in danger. We have need of every able warrior to protect them. You need to prepare yourself as well. I fear that you will not be spared.
We will fight, have no doubts. Because such is our duty and our will. These are our lands that are attacked.
I have no doubt. Good luck, Glendan.
May the rocks give you their toughness. You shall need it more than everyone else. Can I do anything else for you?
I must leave. Goodbye.
Qua awelam seg.
Très bien. Donc du coup, au niveau des quêtes, il ne nous en reste plus qu'une, trouver la cachette de Constantin. Donc les amis, je pense qu'on va se laisser là pour cet épisode. Je sais, il ne reste plus que vraiment le combat de fin, mais je pense qu'il va être tellement épique et il y aura beaucoup de cinématiques et de parlotte. Je voudrais pas faire un épisode de 2 heures non plus. Donc likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu, cela me fera plaisir. Si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure et voir vraiment la fin et que vous n'êtes pas abonné, je vous invite à le faire. Sur ce, moi je vous dis à la prochaine.